Welcome. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-40H, the boiler feed Clack bypass spindle handle for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so let's go file, new, part MMGS. Okay, we're going to start from the right hand side. So, sketch, circle. That's going to be 5. Time to 5. It's going to be extruded out by 25. Gonna do that mid-plane. I don't think it's gonna make a difference this one, but I'll do it anyway. Okay, so now at this point here, I want to curve that over, which I'll do as a fillet. Two. Yep, looks good. Yep. Now, let's see, we want to go top plane. Doesn't really matter actually. Yeah, no, top plane. Now we want to do a circle. That point there, make sure it's the center. If you're not too sure for the, what you can do is center line, put from the center there to the end, and then you've got that's parallel, that's like horizontal, it's locked in there, then you know that point. Or you can get sometimes that doesn't really sharp the way I did before that. That's a good way to do it if not too sure. Then you know you got the right one. Okay, so we want 10 mil. That's gonna be smart dimension. Diameter of, seriously, again, 10, and it's going to be a thickness of 6.5. Now this one here will be, actually I won't change just yet, I'll show you. 6.5, see it's going up but not down. So if I go mid-plane, there you go. Now it's halfway. Or you could have gone different, this direction, that direction. But I don't want to do that. There's only got one direction on there. Oh, because mid-plane. Okay, we've got blind. I've got the second direction I could have done. Then divide that by 2, 6.5 divided with 2, but that's just more work. Just go mid-plane, and you got done. And done. There you go. It's in there. Already done. Beautifully done. Okay, so now let's go to sketch that one. We got a hole in there of 5 mil. Where are we? Hole first, circle first would help. Click on, don't click, sorry, just mouse over. And you see this point there pops up. That's the center of the circle. Now it's going to be 5. It's going to be extrude through all and done. Now you could have done this first and done that, but then this is to the point there, and that's how to cut that section out. So that's why I did the handle first. That way I didn't have to worry about cut up a couple of times and cut them once. Now we want thread. Now this is going to be interesting. Actually, before we do, let's do plane. I'll do. Yeah. Actually, let me just go 5. Just give me a bit of gap between the two, in case I have trouble grabbing something. Now we want thread. That circle. Let's see now. We want there. I'm just going to go all the way through like that as before. It's going way past. I don't need that much, but I'm not going to change it. But what I'm going to do is trim start, trim end. What they'll do, because it's, oh, sorry, extrude, done. What they'll do is the thread is fully going through, so it's not going to be closed off. So when you don't do it, you do it at that point there, you have that closed off section. So the thread goes fully through. Now let me just hide that. And we need some curvatures on here, so fillet, probably not so much 2. Let's try 0.25. No, don't want face. Clear that, thank you. On the edge. And there, I think that's all there was. Yep, around there. We go 3. 0.5. Nope. 0.4. 0.3. Actually, 0.25 I like. There we go. Takes away each half edges on there. And that is done. That is part 3-40H, the boiler feed Clack bypass spindle handle for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So next episode, we're actually going to assemble all these parts. So I'm looking forward to that, see how it looks. So thanks again for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. Welcome new subscribers. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.